Over the years, I have searched hard to get my hands on new plasma toys. I have already covered Obelisk, Skull, Spiral, and other fancy plasma lamps. This is a 30-inch plasma tube I found at a garage sale. It didn't have a box, so I am not sure about the brand, but it puts on an electric show. It is also somewhat touch sensitive. Hit the like button for more cool toys like this.